What's up, guys? So we got a new ride at the auction yesterday. Here it is. It's a 03 G35, 131,000 miles, carbon fiber hood, rotiform rims. Got it for a couple grand. It's a coupe. It's all together. Let me just show you really quick. It's got the carbon fiber hood, real carbon fiber. Leather inside. Spoiler. It's got the carbon fiber down there by the exhaust. Alright, so you see, full leather driver's seat could be a little bit better, but for the most part it's pretty clean. 6-speed. It'll need a radio, and the AC won't turn off, so I heard that in this car you need to get a new radio to kill that, so we'll figure that out. Get that clock that's supposed to be right there. But it's cool. It's got blue lights, the sunroof. Oh. Let me see. Okay. Let's check out the trunk. Oh, I got a tire rod now and some Vans. Nice little tire rod and Vans. A little spare back there. But yeah, guys, it's cool. 2003 G35 coupe, 6-speed, 130,000 miles, clean title. Runs good. I stalled it once. Mind you, I only drove a manual car like for 5 minutes before I got this one. So, still new to the manual transmission game. Still have the van right here. We're waiting on the title for it to come in the mail. But yeah, it's still here. G35 is here. We're gonna get it all cleaned up and shined up, looking presentable. Under the hood, we already have an air intake, K&N air filter. Needs that engine cover. Battery, of course, is dead. So yeah, we're gonna get this battery out of here today, switch it out, get this thing started when we want to, and go from there. Now we got the battery out, the Infinti. Go get a new battery, so when I stall it, I can be able to start it and not just sit in the middle of the street like I did last night. Then we're just gonna go over this motor. Don't see an engine cover, so it looks like shit is everywhere, honestly. But we'll get it checked out. Meanwhile, we're gonna go get the carburetor on this scooter changed out today. So I'm gonna load it up in the van, take it down there really early so it can have it already. This thing is taking like 50 kicks to start. Can't do that, my leg is sore. And boom, we got the scooter all loaded up. Ready to go. This thing is so freaking smooth, bro. Scooter back here in the backity back. Getting her done.